Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simple and Short. Today, I'll be talking about living a simple and minimalist lifestyle. Living a minimalist lifestyle can seem daunting in the era where we are constantly bombarded with advertisements and encouraged to consume. But it's easier than you might think. So, here are some tips and advice for living a simple and minimalist lifestyle. One. Simplify your surroundings. Start by removing things you don't need or use anymore. Donate or sell items still in good condition, and throw away things beyond repair. Having less clutter in your home will help you feel more relaxed and calm. Two. Invest in quality over quantity. Rather than buying many cheap items, invest in a few high-quality pieces that will last longer. This not only saves you money in the long run, but it also helps to reduce waste and encourages you to be more intentional with your purchases. Three. Adopt a minimalist wardrobe. Create a capsule wardrobe consisting of a few versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Not only does this free up space, but it also simplifies your morning routine when getting dressed. Four. Reduce your digital clutter. Unsubscribe from newsletters and email lists that you don't read, and delete old files and photos from your devices. This will help you feel less overwhelmed and more focused. Five. Practice mindful consumption. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you really need it and if it aligns with your values and priorities. By doing so, you can avoid making impulsive purchases and cultivate a deliberate approach to your expenses. Six. Embrace the power of saying no. Acquire the ability to refuse anything that contradicts your values or priorities. This helps to reduce overwhelm and allows you to focus on what's truly important to you. 7. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things you already have and appreciate them. This helps to reduce the desire for more and cultivates a sense of contentment. Eight. Limit your commitments. Acquire the skill of declining commitments that do not match your principles or preferences. This helps to reduce stress and frees up time for the things you truly enjoy. 9. Simplify your meals. Cook simple, healthy meals with fewer ingredients. This not only saves time and money but it also promotes a healthier lifestyle. Choose experiences over things. Rather than buying material possessions, invest in experiences that create memories and enrich your life. 11. Reduce your environmental impact. Choose sustainable and eco-friendly options when possible, such as reusable water bottles, cloth grocery bags, and energy-efficient appliances. 12. Embrace minimalism in your digital life. Limit your time spent on social media and digital devices, and focus on in-person interactions and experiences. 13. Use a minimalist budget. Set a budget that aligns with your values and priorities, and track your expenses to ensure you're staying on track. 14. Embrace a slower pace of life. Slow down and enjoy the present moment. Take time for self-care and relaxation, and avoid overscheduling your time. 15. Cultivate mindfulness. Be present and aware of your thoughts and feelings, and make an effort to embrace the present moment instead of being preoccupied with the future or stuck in the past. 16. Cultivate the habit of reflecting on oneself. Take time to reflect on your values, goals and priorities, and adjust your lifestyle accordingly. 17. Learn to let go. Embrace impermanence and release the things that are no longer beneficial to you, whether physical possessions, relationships, or beliefs. 18. Seek simplicity in all areas of life. Simplify not just your possessions but also your schedule, relationships, and thoughts. 19. Embrace minimalism in your work life. Streamline your work processes, declutter your workspace, and focus on the most important tasks. 20. Practice non-judgment. Embrace a non-judgmental attitude towards yourself and others, and let go of the need for perfection. Living a simple and minimalist lifestyle doesn't mean giving up all of your possessions or living a boring life. It's about being intentional with your choices and prioritizing what's truly important to you. We hope these tips and advice help you in your journey toward a simpler and more fulfilling life. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. I'll see you in the next video.